Well, hello there everyone. This is not the typical unboxing video that you normally watch and see on my channel, but there's no harm in trying and let's just do this. Okay, so first we'll be unboxing this Galax GeForce RTX 2060 Mini, and you're seeing here the box, and I'm just showing you the angles. Okay, let's open it now. Now you can see the foam, and I'm just gonna remove that so that you can see the graphics card itself. We have here the setup guide, and we have here a Molex to PCIe connector, and of course the Galax RTX 2060 Mini. There we go. Well, that's my unboxing of this Galax RTX 2060 Mini, and let's check on the specs now. The Galax RTX 2060 White Mini is based on NVIDIA's TU106 Turing architecture. It features 1920 CUDA cores with a base clock of 1365 MHz and boost clock of 1710 MHz, overclockable up to 1725 MHz through the Galax Extreme Tuner software and one-click OC. With its 175mm small body, 80mm dual fans, and quality built backplate, it is perfect for ITX users, providing great thermal performance and cooling. The Galax RTX 2060 White Mini one-click OC has 192-bit 6GB GDDR6 memory running at 14 Gbps with a memory bandwidth of 336 Gbps. Powered by one 8-pin PCIe power connector, the Galax RTX 2060 White Mini has a minimum power supply requirement of 500 watt. And lastly, the Galax RTX 2060 White Mini output connectors consist of one DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Well, that's my quick and simple unboxing of this Galax RTX 2060 White Mini one-click OC. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this is Kang, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!